farted on me.
Look at his face. Yes. Put that fucking brick on the floor.
Oh, okay. You're getting me. You're too strong.
I'm sorry.
Alex, you can't still hurt my foot. No. Ow! No toes. Alex, I have one broken foot. Don't break more.
Yeah, I got him in a good spot.
Alex, you cannot choke me there.
I'm not choking you. I'm on like half of your esophagus.
No, you're on my neck or something.
Your what?
My neck. Ow.
Holy shit, his whole body's like convulsing.
Ow. Alex, if I slip, it's gonna break my neck.
No, it won't.
Yeah, it will.
It won't.
I didn't drink my soda at all. No, don't hurt me.
This?
Alex, don't shake it up. It'll get. Oh.
Hold this shut.
Here, you dropped my thing.
Hold this too.
What do you want to do? Ah. Ow. Ow, my head, wait.
Not like you said it.
Alex, you keep hitting me in my
We'll fix this and beat you up some more. How about that?
head.
Where you going? Sit
You're
down.
getting a real soda.
What's wrong with that one?
It's choke up.
It's shook up.
Ow. Ow, that hurts. It's still, if you do it too hard, it's gonna hurt. Ow. Ow. That hurt my back. Ow. Ow, Alex.
He's momentarily blind. Come on, kill him.
Oh, not this. Alex, if you give me a black eye, my mom could be really pissed.
I can't give you a black eye with a fucking crutch.
You hit me in the eyeball.
That was really bad. That was pretty bad.
Oh, it wasn't that bad. I didn't even swing that hard.
You don't have an eyeball. How hard do you have to swing?
Well, seeing how your eyeball itself can't really be bruised.
There's no too hard when it's eyeball. Any eyeball
Oh,
is.
there isn't?
Any eyeball energy is too
Oh,
hard.
there's no too hard with the eyeballs?
There is too hard, and everything's too hard. Every height that goes to the eyeball is too hard. What are you doing?
Look at that face.
That's starting to hurt from taking the blows. Ow. Okay, it's too much dust. You're gonna get your allergies.
Are you trying to come up with excuses for me not to beat you?
Yeah, you're going to work. You're going to get your allergies worked out. Oh, let it go.
No, check your soda.
It's not. It's
You were complaining about. Fine, give it to me. I'll go get you another one. After I beat you over the head.
You can't beat me with metal object.